Thank you, Deputy Speaker. At the very outset, I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to take part in the discussion with regard to the Governor's address. Though there are many issues that I would like to raise as far as the address made by the Governor, but due to, as I understand, due to paucity of time, I won't take much of the time, but I would like to just pinpoint some of the important issues that I would like to highlight as per the address made by the Governor. The first point that I would like to raise is with regard to public works.
Honorable Member, it is 2 o'clock. Please sit down. In exercise of the rules 11 for 2 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Mawlai House, I extend the House till all the members who have given their name have participated, and this item is disposed of. You may take the floor, your initiative.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. So I would like to mention first with regard to public works. Yes, there are a number of projects that has been undertaken even within my constituency, one of which is the PMGSY road being constructed from Lom Mausiang to Mausiat Knam. But then there is a few kilometer stretch of road from Mausiat Knam to Nong Trau village in Ribhoi district, where I would like to request the Minister concerned to kindly look into this matter. In fact, I have talked with the Honorable MLA from Umroi, because this comes under Umroi constituency and Mawlai constituency. In fact, it is an inter-district road where I would like the government to kindly look into this matter to connect from Mausiat Knam to Nong Trau village through this PMGSY road. And coming to power, yes, it is. We are happy to have a year where we don't have any load shedding. But then coming to my constituency, though there is no load shedding, but there is frequent interrupted power supply within my constituency. So I would like to request the Minister concerned to kindly look into this matter, where even yesterday also almost the whole day we are left with no power. And this is not just a one-off incident that happened yesterday, but in fact, throughout the year, this winter, my constituency has been badly disrupted with the frequent power cut in my constituency. And then this has also come to my notice, where in the last few months, there has been a substantial increase as far as electricity bills is concerned. Not just in my constituency, but I've got complaints throughout the state, where there has been a complaint where there has been an increase, a substantial increase as far as the electricity bills is concerned. So I would like the Minister concerned to kindly look into this matter. And another point that I would like to raise is with regards to the CNRD department. The main concern here is with regard to the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guaranteed Act, where there are two components here. One is the wage aspect and the other one is the material aspect. And as far as the wage is concerned, there is no complaint, where people have been receiving their wage immediately after the work is done. But then the main concern is with regard to materials, where mostly this is a problem with every VEC, where mostly it took almost 1 year for them to receive money as far as materials is concerned. So this has been a problem as far as implementing new developmental works under the MGNRE GA. And another point that I would like to raise is with regard to the public health engineering. Yes, it is as far as the Governor address is concerned, where 81% houses have been covered till January 2025. But sad to say, in my constituency, as far as the percentage is concerned, I feel that it is very less, especially the area from Mawlai Thlong and then Mawlai Mawlai, where we have not yet received even a single drop of water. So I would like to highlight this point before the Honourable Minister to kindly look into this into this matter. And then coming to agriculture, in fact last year what happened was there was a hailstorm in the month of November, where me personally I have written a letter to the minister concerned to kindly look into this matter, where not just in my constituency, yes, I went there on the ground with my own eyes to see the extent of the damage that is being done on the paddy field. But this is not just in my constituency, but it is throughout the state. And I've written to the Honourable Minister to kindly look into this matter, where if there is anything that the government can do to compensate as far as the loss incurred by the farmers due to hailstorm. And in fact, when I interact with the farmers within my constituency, they have told me that even in 2023, the same incident have happened, and people from the department concerned has come to assess the damage, but till date, they have not received any compensation from the government. So I would like to air my grievances to the Honourable Minister to kindly look into this matter. And apart from that, I would like to raise one final point here with regards to Chief Minister's Secretariat, where under the CMSDF, where I can see here that an amount of 25 crores have been sanctioned in the year 2024-25. In fact, from my side, as a local MLA, I have written a proposal to the Chief Minister for the year 23-24 and 24-25 for some work within my constituency. But sad to say that till date, I have not received any response from the CM Secretariat, and I will request the Chief Minister to kindly look into this proposal which I have sent from my side within my constituency. So with these few points, I would like to resume my seat. Thank you.
Thank you, Bob.